We will now machine these areas. First, we will define a new tool plane using the gnomon. Return your view to isometric, and then zoom in on this area. Select the gnomon. And then select this endpoint. Click on this arc, rotate it, and enter 90 degrees, and press enter twice. Change the origin values to 0. And make sure set as T-plane and C-plane are selected. Then change the name to plane 90 degree. Press OK. Select the planes manager. The C and T plane should be set to the plane 90 degrees. Return to the Toolpaths Manager. Then select Contour in the 2D area. Make sure Solid is the selection mode, and that only Edge is selected. Then select this edge, and press OK. Select Tool, and select the 1/4 inch flat end mill. Enter the comment, machine the flat area. Select Cut Parameters, and change the stock to leave on walls to 0. Change the compensation direction to left if necessary. Select Lead In Out. Disable Entry and Exit. Enable Adjust Start of Contour, and set the length to 60% extend. Then copy the values over. Select Multi-Passes. Enable Multi-Passes. Set the number of rough passes to 3. And set the spacing to 0.15. Set the number of finish passes to 1. And the spacing to 0.05 if necessary. Change the rough pass cut direction to zigzag. Enable Keep Tool Down, and machine finish passes after roughing all contours. Select Linking Parameters. Make sure clearance is set to 2 incremental. Retract 0.5 incremental. Feed plane 0.2 incremental. Top of stock 0.1 absolute. And set the depth to 0 incremental. Select Rotary Axis Control. Change the rotation type to Rotary Axis Positioning. Rotate about the X-axis, and then press OK to generate the operation. Backplot the operation. When backplot is finished, press OK. Then verify the operation. When Verify is finished, close the simulation window. Return your view to isometric and toggle the toolpath display off. Select Toolpath Transform. Make sure the type is set to Rotate, method is set to Tool Plane, source is NCI, and group NCI output by operation type. Select only operation number 7. Select Rotate, and change the number of instances to 1. Change the angle to 180 degrees. Make sure rotation plane is enabled and the plane is set to right. Then press OK. Backplot the operation. When backplot is finished, press OK. Select all operations and click Verify. When Verify is finished, close the simulation window. Return your view to isometric and toggle the toolpath displays off. At this point, your file is ready to be posted. Therefore, you have completed this lesson and can move on to the next tutorial.